I'm Virginia Donahue, and I'm from the Algonquin Area Public Library, and we are at the dog wagon taking pictures with Santa with about 40 different dogs. I'm with Rich Chapman, my favorite dog photographer, because he's helped us before at the library. So one of these days you'll have to come out and see this at the dog wagon. We hope to do it next year.
You are beautiful.
That's the one.
Got it. Oh, she knows how to speak. She knows.
Well, I'm going to have to get rid of this.
Oh, no, just give them to them. I'm sure they'll be your friend.
Stay.
There you go. Yeah. Say Merry Christmas. Yes.
Zelda.
Daddy is funny, isn't he? Zelda.
Are you afraid of Santa?
That fur, though, yeah, that fur is,
His tail's tough.
God.
It is a new experience. Instead of having a munchkin child on one, I have got a munchkin doggy on my lap, and just being around animals is nice for me, and I enjoy it. And we're having a good time today, and looking forward to the afternoon. So have a great holiday.